Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today, I'm going to show you how to email Snapchat support step by step. If you ever run into problems with your Snapchat account, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process to contact their support team easily. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer. In the search bar, type Snapchat support and hit enter. Step 2. Now, look at the search results. Click on the first link that says Snapchat support. This will take you to the official help page. Step 3. Once you're on the support page, you'll see different topics and issues. Find the one that best matches your problem. Snapchat provides different categories like login issues, account security, and more. Step 4. Next, click on Contact Us. This option allows you to send a direct request to Snapchat's support team. Step 5. Now, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Depending on the issue you selected, Snapchat may ask you to enter details about your problem. Fill in the required information accurately to make sure your request gets processed quickly. Step 6. Finally, scroll down and tap on Click here to contact our support team. This will open a form where you can submit your request. Once you've entered all the necessary details, go ahead and send it. And that's it. You've now successfully contacted Snapchat support. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.